Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I am going to show you how to do pedicure at home using VLCC pedicure kit. And if you do not have VLCC pedicure kit, you can use any pedicure kit that you have at home, or you can also use natural ingredients. Pedicure is not to whiten your skin, it is to maintain your skin without any roughness or without any cracks on your heels. And the reason for cracked heels is only because of dryness. So in order to prevent dryness, you will have to keep your body completely hydrated, and it is summer, so you'll have to drink lots and lots of water to keep your body hydrated. The next thing that we have to remember is to keep your legs moisturized. We always apply moisturizer on our hands and our legs, but we forget to apply moisturizer at the bottom of the feet. So it is also must to keep our feet moisturized. We definitely should wear slippers at home. We have a belief that we should not wear slippers at home. It is only because the slippers that we wear out will have so many dirts and germs. So we shouldn't bring those dirts or germs inside our home. So please keep a dedicated slippers or sandals to wear at home. Do not use it outside. Use it only inside your home so that it would be very clean and you can maintain your skin without dryness. Now let's see what are all the procedures to follow pedicure at home. Nowadays, if we go to parlor, it will cost you at least 250 to 300 rupees for the basic pedicure. And there are many more pedicures available at market or in the parlors nowadays. So it is even more costlier. So it is really best to do pedicure at home. It is enough if you spend at least 30 minutes of time for a month so that you can maintain your skin. And as I told you, if you do not have this pedicure kit, you can also use natural ingredients. So the first step for natural ingredients is fill a tub with lukewarm water and pour in a drop or two of the body lotion that you use, or you can also use soap water. Soak your feet inside the water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, wipe your legs and use dosa batter, which is the best natural scrub that you can get. So use that and scrub your feet for at least 10 to 15 minutes well, and then again rinse your feet in water and then dry it completely, and then you can start scrubbing your feet using any scrub that you use at home so that all the dry skins from your feet will fall off easily. And after that, again soak your legs in the warm water for 10 to 15 minutes using some soap water or the body lotion water. Soak it for 10 to 15 minutes and wipe it completely. And then the last step for you to complete this procedure will be to apply some moisturizer. If you don't have moisturizer, you can also use coconut oil or butter. So this is the last process. Do these steps completely so that you can do pedicure at home easily. So come on, now let's see what are all the steps involved in doing pedicure using the VLCC kit. So this is how my foot looks before I start doing my pedicure. So I have stopped maintaining my foot for the past 1 month. So now I'm going to do pedicure and show you so that it might be a live example for you. So I'm going to remove all the nail polish from my feet using nail polish remover. I'm using Lakme nail polish remover. You can use any nail polish remover that you use regularly. Now I'm going to cut any excess nails if grown. So using a nail cutter, I'm going to trim the nails. Now I'm going to shape my nails using a filing tool. You can also use the nail cutter to do this. Now before starting the pedicure procedure, I'm going to wash my legs thoroughly with warm water. You can also use regular water and the regular soap that you use so that the water doesn't get too much dirty. Now I'm using VLCC pedicure kit. You can also use any kit that you use regularly. So the numbers would be written in the pedicure kit, number 1, 2, so you can follow accordingly. In a tub here, I have taken warm water. The water should be in a temperature that you can tolerate. So here in this water, I'm going to add 3 to 4 drops of the first solution. You can also use the regular soap that you use or even the face wash that you use. So I'm going to mix it thoroughly and I'm going to soak my legs in this warm water for 15 to 20 minutes so that the skins can get soft. After 15 minutes, I'm going to pat dry my legs using a soft towel. Now the second step is to apply this cuticle serum. So this will help us to remove the excess dirt from the nails easily, and also it will help the cuticles to become strong. I'm going to let my legs soak in this cuticle serum for the next 5 minutes. Using the same filing tool, I'm going to take off the excess dirt that is accumulated in between the nails. You can also use the cuticle pusher to do this. I'm also going to remove the excess hard layer that is above the nails. Then I'm going to wash my legs completely in the same warm water. And then the third step is to scrub your legs completely. So the third step in this is scrub. So I'm using the same VLCC scrub. You can replace this with any regular scrub that you use, or if you want a natural ingredient, the best natural scrub would be the idli dosa batter that you make at home. So you can use that as well. So using the scrub, I'm going to massage my legs completely for the next 10 to 15 minutes. After washing my legs, I'm going to use the step 4 cream, which is the regular cream. So using that, I'm going to gently massage my legs for the next 5 to 6 minutes. You can also use your regular face wash for doing this if you don't use any pedicure kit. And then I'm washing it, and I'm using this brush tool to brush the dirt that is accumulated in between my fingers again. This will also help us to remove the dark skins or the dead skins that is on our legs. So brush it gently. You can also use the toothbrush that you use at your home, any old toothbrush, or you can also use a dedicated toothbrush for this. I'm also going to rub my foot using the other side of this brush so that the dead skins can come off easily. Then I'm going to pat dry my legs, and using this cuticle dead skin remover, I'm going to remove all the dead skins from my fingers. Now that our foot is soaked well, now the dead skins would be very soft and it would be easier to peel off. So I'm using this foot filer to scrub all the dead skins off my foot. In the same tub, I have changed the water. Now this is the plain water. It is not at all warm. So I'm going to wash my legs clean after doing the foot filing, which is after removing all the dead skins from my foot. So I'm going to wash my legs and gently pat dry it. And now it's time to apply some anti-tan pack. So I'm using the same pack from the pedicure kit. You can also use any anti-tan pack, any natural packs that you use at home, maybe using some gram flour or anything. So I'm going to apply this and leave it for the next 5 minutes until it is completely dry, and then wash my legs and pat dry it again. The last step is to apply some moisturizing cream to keep our foot moisturized. In parlors, they keep nail polish at the end of pedicure process. So if you wish, you can keep nail polish so that you can feel even more confident and your legs can look more colorful. So that's it. This is the end of this pedicure process. Do not forget to wear your slippers to say goodbye to cracked heels. So it is a definite must to maintain your skin. As I told you, it is not only your body that we need to take care of, it is also our foot. So please follow all these steps, and I'm sure this video must have helped many people out there. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys again with another interesting concept or another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.